So, hello students. Today we are looking at how to unpack history essay questions specifically for O-level. So, how are you graded in a history essay? Now we're looking at question A, which is the 8 marks question. Now we have unpacked the different level. So in the 8 mark questions, there is actually 3 levels: level 1, level 2, and level 3. Now for level 1, which is the basic 1 to 2 marks, okay, a student who is able to just describe the event without focus of the question will get between 1 to 2 marks. That means it's just literally some information, for example, about maybe Korean War, or some information about Cold War, but not really answering the question. A maximum of 2 marks will be awarded. Now for level 2, if a student is able to identify or describe the factors, now because this is 8 marks, definitely you would have to give 2 factors or 2 examples. Okay, now 4 marks is given when you are able to give a detailed description of either one particular factor, all right, or 2 factors, but not really well described or not really well explained. Okay, now for level 3, it is about explanation. All right, and it ranges between 5 to 8 marks. Okay, so if you're able to explain one factor well, it is 5 to 6 marks. If you're able to explain 2 factors, it is between 7 to 8 marks. Now I just wanted to give you a little bit of description, all right, or a little bit of pointer. So when we say about describe, it is just a detailed explanation as to how and why something happens. Whereas when we talk about explain, you need to know the what, the how, and the why. Alright, that means you need to know how the examples given will answer the question. So it is definitely more specific. Alright, now moving on, we're looking at the B question, which is a 12 marks. And for 12 marks, there are actually 4 levels. Alright, so again, if you describe the event or the particular timeline for history, it is a 1 to 2 marks. Okay, now usually for 12 mark question, it is a how far question, which means that there is a yes and there is a no. So for level 2, for you to get 3 to 6 marks, it is just explaining the yes, I agree, or no, I disagree. Now you'll be awarded 3 marks for an explanation, all right, a reasonably elaborated as well as linked answer. You will get more than 3 marks if you're able to give more than 1 examples as well as supporting details, and we will actually have a cap or a max of 6 marks. All right, now moving on to level 3, which is definitely the basic level for you to pass this particular question, 7 to 10 marks. Okay, you need to give both sides. That means the how far, you need to address the yes, you need to address the no. Okay, and again, you will get more marks if there is an additional details for reasons. That means more examples. Now level 4 is of course the conclusion. Now if you focus very carefully, it is level 3 plus. That means you must get 10 marks, or you must get a range between 7 to 10 marks actually, for you to be able to get level 4 marks, which is 11 to 12 marks. Okay, and again reaches a balanced conclusion based on how far. That means you need to weigh. All right, is the factor more important? Which is a more important factor, or is it actually a combination of factors? Now again, explain means you must make sure you know the what, the how, and the why. And how does the examples or the reasons answer the question? So always remember that as you are writing the examples, how does it lead to answering the question? So I hope this very short video will help you to remember how to write essay. Alright, so see you again. Bye-bye.